Hello guys, welcome to Clean Review. In this video we are going to talk about this Agaro electric egg boiler. This cost around 1000 rupees in Amazon. Using this we can boil or poach eggs. Boiling vegetables is also possible in this boiler. We'll see that in couple of minutes. Inside box there is a warranty code and user manual. This is plastic tray for boiling eggs. And this is a plastic poacher tray. And this is closing lid with holes at top to escape steam. This is measuring jar with pin at bottom. I will show you how to use this pin at end of this video. This is mine electric boiler with power button at front. Complete outer body is covered with steel sheet. Power capacity is 500 watts. This comes with 2 meter wire and 6 ampere 3-pin plug. This area is for filling water. Egg boiling tray goes on top of this. This holds for holding eggs in place. Closing lid comes next. For poaching, keep tray on top of egg tray and close with lid. This boiler has automatic cutoff feature. When the switch is pressed, this blue light glows around the switch. After water inside the boiler evaporates completely, the switch will turn off automatically and blue light goes off. This indicates boiling process is completed. Take full cup of water and pour into this box. Now take egg tray and put on top of this. Here I am taking 2 eggs. You can also boil total 8 eggs at same time. Now close with lid. Now press the power button. Now boiling process is started. Boil for 10 minutes or until automatic turn off for hot boil. If you want soft boil, you should follow these measurements. After 10 minutes, boiling process is completed. Now put eggs into normal water for 2 minutes. Here you can see egg is perfectly boiled. Follow same process for egg poaching. Pour 1 cup of water into boiler and place egg tray on top of it. Now place poacher tray on top of egg tray. Break egg and put into each space. For demo I am using only 1 egg. You can poach 4 eggs at a time. Place lid on top of that. Now press power button. Normally it will take 5 to 6 minutes for poaching. You can add any spices at middle of the process. After 5 to 6 minutes, poaching is completed. For people staying in hostel and don't have access to gas stove to boil some vegetables, you can use this electric boiler. Here I am boiling sweet potato and sweet corn. I added same 1 cup of water and I am placing these vegetables on egg tray. Boil these vegetables until automatic cutoff. Only drawback here is that for complete boiling, one more time process should be repeated. So after boiling second time, here you can see sweet potato boiled completely and ready to consume. Sweet corn also became soft and ready to eat. Some tips to follow while boiling eggs in this boiler. Don't immediately boil eggs after taking out of refrigerator. Keep in room temperature for at least 5 minutes before boiling. You can also use this egg piercer to put hole at bottom of egg to escape excess pressure. This will avoid egg breaking while boiling. This is best budget egg boiler for students in hostels and it is small and easy to carry while traveling. Check out this product, I will add link in description.